Most AI chat apps forget everything after one message. But an AI chat app with real conversation memory, using Ollama, we're building a lightweight local chat UI where the model runs on your machine. Messages are remembered across turns. No cloud APIs. No tokens. No data leaking. Without memory, every message is a cold start. With memory, the model understands context, follow-ups, and intent. This is a foundation for assistants, RAG systems, agents, internal tools. We start with a basic Streamlit app. Memory lives in st session_state. If the session is new, we initialize it with a system prompt. This is chat memory stored per browser session. Reset on refresh. Every user message is appended to the conversation history. Append the user message and send the entire history to Ollama. Append the assistant's response back to memory. Ollama doesn't remember anything by itself. You must resend the conversation every time. Use SD text input to accept a prompt from the user. Display the response using SD Markdown. This only works because we're using ollama.chat, because ollama.generate is stateless. Ask a question. Explain REST. The text explains what REST is and outlines its key concepts. I then ask follow-up questions to compare it with GraphQL. It retrieves information and presents a summary of what REST and GraphQL are, highlighting the key differences, similarities, and guidelines on when to choose each option. When memory is enabled, it will ask follow-up questions based on your previous responses. If you have any AI-related problems to solve, comment below.